Hi, this is Mitzi from Sassie Texanna Designs, and today I had a video I wanted to make for you because I thought it was very interesting about an idea I had. And what I did was I made this wreath right here that you see on the wall. It has this pocket, this metal pocket with a wooden back on it, and I made the greenery. And in my opinion, you could probably just have that as your wreath on your door. So then I thought, well, how about if we put something in the envelope? Who knows? So then I came up with some inserts that you could put in the envelope. And so then the first one I had was the St. Patrick's Day. So there's the St. Patrick's Day. Then the second one I had was Easter. So there's Easter. Let's see, Easter. And then was like a late spring, early summer. It has like just flowers. But all these are like inserts that go in the envelope. And then after the late spring, early summer, I had the 4th of July one. You could even add extra swirly, twirly 4th of July decorations in there if you wanted to. And then I had this fall insert that I made. You just put it in the envelope and put it into the thing. And then the Christmas one. So I'm going to a craft fair this weekend, so I'm trying to get all this stuff ready. That's why I haven't been available for any kind of information. But anyway, so that was my idea. I thought it was awesome. I could be wrong. But anyway, so that's what my plan is to present this as a standalone wreath. And then if they would wish to purchase the inserts, then that's fine with me. If not, I can use them for something else. But so that's what I've been doing. Getting ready for a craft show. Yay! So anyway, y'all have a great day, and thank you for stopping by. And if you wouldn't mind, you could click that subscribe button and give me a little like and maybe a positive comment. And I will come back and show you some other things some other day. Anyway, well, thanks for coming. Y'all have a great day. This is Mitzi with Sassie Texanna, and I'll see you later. Bye.